Why are people so obsessed with passive income? I mean, why did you even click on this video? Well, that's because passive income sparks a desire in us, a desire for freedom. Passive income gives us the freedom to wake up whenever we want, travel wherever we want, and build towards a point where we can basically buy whatever we want. And if you stick around for the rest of the video, I'm actually going to show you guys the 4 best passive income ideas in 2022. Now, one quick little caveat that I need to make is that apart from the last strategy I'm going to show you, true passive income doesn't really exist. You don't just click your fingers and then money appears from nowhere. Passive income does exist, but you just need to reframe the way you think about it. You see, it's kind of like farming. First, you have to plant the seeds, then you continue to get the fruits of your labor for years to come. So as I said, the first 3 strategies I'm going to show you do take a little bit of time to get off the ground, but once you've gotten them off the ground, they're going to continue to pay dividends for years and years to come. Now, the first passive income strategy is something that I've personally seen friends of mine go from 0 to 10K a month in a very short amount of time with. And that's actually creating a course on Skillshare. Now, everyone has something that they're good at. Whether you're good at fitness, accounting, photography, or even just showing people how to organize files on their computer. Now, these are all things that people are actually actively looking for on Skillshare. I mean, most people don't know this, but the highest selling course in history was a course on Excel spreadsheets. Now, most people concerned when launching a course is, number 1, where will I get the eyeballs? And number 2, what if I don't deliver on the price? Well, Skillshare actually fixes both of those issues. Skillshare gives you the eyeballs so you don't need to be a wizard at ads or organic marketing. And you also don't need to worry about refunds because people don't actually pay you for the course. Skillshare is actually the one that pays you. So very similar to sort of like a Spotify model where, the people of Skillshare pay a certain amount per month, and then you as the creator get paid based on the amount of views and the amount of time that people watch your course. Now, this actually alleviates a lot of the stress surrounding actually creating a course. So Skillshare is by far the easiest way to get a course up and running with as little risk as humanly possible, and with a platform to actually give you direction and give you the eyeballs. So if you listen to this first passive income strategy and instantly thought of a course idea, well, then Skillshare may be the route for you. Now, the beauty of the next passive income strategy is that you don't actually have to create any product or service yourself. Affiliate marketing is where you help sell other people's products or services and actually get a cut. I'll give you an example. I own a software company that helps agency owners sign more clients, retain them for longer, and simplify their processes. And with my business partner, that took me a long time and a lot of money to create. Now, aside from that, I actually also make hundreds of thousands of dollars a year by promoting other softwares that solve solutions in industries that I don't have the knowledge to create a software in. The best part is with some of these affiliate programs, you get paid 20 to 40% reoccurring every single month. But it doesn't only need to be software. I mean, Amazon has the biggest affiliate program on earth. So if you can review or recommend a product, you can make bank. So whether you decide to start a blog, a TikTok account, or even a free Discord channel, if you build up a small niche audience, you can make an easy full-time income by promoting products that you believe in to your audience. The best part is you never have to create these products or services yourself. Now let's move on to the next passive income idea in 2022. Do you like this video? Well, I actually have something to admit to you. For each video like this that I put out, I usually on average make $1,000 to $3,000 in AdSense. But what if you made even 10% of that? I bet you'd still be happy and extremely excited to create videos. Well, that's really the beauty of YouTube. We've got kids as young as 7 and grandparents as old as 90 making a cool 6 figures a year by shooting and posting videos. Now, YouTube is an extremely slow burn at the beginning, but just like the analogy I used earlier of the farm, it is truly the gift that keeps on giving. This is why it's the 3rd passive income idea for this video. Stay consistent, post 1 to 2 times a week, and I guarantee within 365 days, you'll see that you are making a good full-time income a year with YouTube. Now, YouTube isn't for everyone because you have to put yourself out there, but if that doesn't scare you, then it is easily one of the coolest ways to make passive income in 2022. The last passive income strategy is investing, and this is actually the truest form of passive income. This is because all you need is the seeds. You don't even need to put any work in to water the plants to get the yield. That's actually the job of someone else. Now, investing is the most reliable way to become a millionaire over a long enough period of time. Now, you can invest in the S&P 500, you can invest in real estate, you can invest in crypto, really just take your pick. The most important thing is that you understand what you're investing in and you have a long-term horizon on it. For me personally, I invest in cryptocurrency and watches mainly. Crypto because I believe in the long-term adoption of it as well as its incredible risk to reward returns, and watches because I understand them very well and it's been a fun active investment that I get to wear plus enjoy too. Now, all of these 4 strategies have the potential to make you a good monthly passive income, but the real secret and the real money comes in starting an online business that has the potential to make you $100,000 a year and more. And I actually uploaded a video on the best models in 2022 in order to do that not so long ago. You guys absolutely love that video. It's been my subscribers' favorite video of 2022 so far. So I'll go ahead and leave that in the description as the first link. It'll just take you to another YouTube video. And in that video, I analyzed the best 6 business models to most reliably make $100,000 a year as a beginner with no experience. Now, between this video and the video in the description, you are well on your way to living the good life. So I want you to know that I am rooting for you to win. Now go apply what you learned in this video and go crush it.